What if the most beautiful details in a home could be created with nothing more than yarn, a crochet hook, and a little imagination? Welcome to a world where simple, handmade crochet meets elegant home decor. Today, we're exploring a collection of beautiful crochet ideas designed to bring warmth, personality, and a touch of creativity into everyday spaces. And what makes these designs special is that they don't need to be complicated. Sometimes, the simplest idea can create the most beautiful result. A little texture on a table, a soft handmade detail beside a chair, a beautiful piece on a shelf, or a practical organizer that quietly makes everyday life easier. These are the kinds of details that can make a home feel more personal. Imagine walking into a room filled with beautiful furniture and elegant finishes. Everything looks perfect. But then you notice something handmade, something soft, something created stitch by stitch. And suddenly, the room feels warmer. It feels lived in. It feels like someone has added a little piece of their own creativity to it. That's the magic of crochet. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be complicated. And it certainly doesn't have to look old-fashioned. With the right colors, textures, and designs, crochet can look incredibly elegant and modern. From beautiful decorative pieces to useful organizers, there are so many ways to bring handmade details into a home. And one of the most exciting things is that you can change almost everything. Change the color, change the yarn, change the stitch, make it smaller, make it larger, add your favorite detail. And suddenly, the same basic idea becomes something completely different. That's why handmade crochet never really goes out of style, because every maker can give it a different personality. Some people love soft, neutral colors. Others prefer deep, dramatic shades. Some love delicate patterns, while others enjoy bold textures and strong combinations. There is no single right way to create, and that's what makes handmade work so beautiful. As you look through these designs, imagine them in your own home. Imagine a cozy corner with your favorite colors. Imagine a beautiful handmade accent sitting quietly on a table. Imagine your living room with soft crochet textures bringing warmth to the space. Or imagine creating a useful piece that not only looks beautiful, but also makes your daily routine a little easier. These small details may seem simple, but together, they can completely change the atmosphere of a room. A home doesn't become beautiful only because of expensive furniture. It becomes beautiful because of the feeling it creates. And handmade pieces can create a very special feeling. They remind us that beautiful things don't always have to be perfect. A tiny variation in a stitch, a slightly different texture, a little handmade imperfection. These are the things that tell us a real person created it. In a world filled with mass-produced products, something handmade feels different. It feels thoughtful. It feels personal. And perhaps that's why crochet continues to inspire so many people around the world. One simple ball of yarn can become something completely unexpected. It can become decoration. It can become something useful. It can become a gift. Or it can simply become a small project that gives you a few peaceful hours away from the noise of everyday life. There is something incredibly calming about watching a simple strand of yarn slowly become something beautiful. One stitch, then another, and another. Slowly, a design begins to appear, and eventually, you hold something in your hands that didn't exist before. You made it. That's a feeling that no store-bought decoration can completely replace. And you don't need to be an expert to begin. Start with something simple. Choose colors you love. Learn one stitch. Practice. And let your creativity grow naturally. Maybe your first project won't be perfect, and that's completely okay. Every experienced maker once started with a first stitch. What matters is that you begin. Because sometimes, the smallest project becomes the beginning of something much bigger. Looking at these beautiful ideas, it's easy to imagine how many possibilities are waiting inside a simple crochet hook. Different colors can create completely different moods. Soft tones can make a room feel peaceful. Rich colors can make a space feel dramatic and luxurious. Natural shades can create a warm, cozy atmosphere. And bright colors can bring energy and happiness into an otherwise simple room. The possibilities are almost endless. So don't be afraid to experiment. Mix textures. Try new combinations. Add your own little details. Make something that feels like you. Because the goal isn't simply to copy a beautiful design. The goal is to let that design inspire your own imagination. Perhaps you will see one idea today and think, I could make that. And maybe that's the most important moment of this entire video. That little spark of inspiration. The moment when an image becomes an idea, and an idea becomes a possibility. Handmade home decor can be simple. It can be practical. It can be elegant. And most importantly, it can be yours. So as you continue watching, don't just look at the colors or the patterns. Look at the possibilities. Think about what you would change. Which colors would you choose? Which design would you make first? Where would you place it in your home? Maybe one day, one of these ideas will sit inside your own living room, not as a picture on a screen, but as something you created with your own hands. And when someone asks where you found it, you can simply smile and say, I made it myself. That is the beauty of handmade crochet. Simple stitches can create beautiful memories. Ordinary yarn can become something extraordinary. And a few quiet hours with a crochet hook can become a beautiful part of your home. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, keep creating, and never underestimate what you can make with your own hands. Because beautiful homes are not always bought. Sometimes they are patiently created, one stitch at a time. Thank you for spending these moments with RS Knitting. I hope these ideas inspired you to look at crochet in a completely new way. Until our next collection, keep your creativity alive, keep your hands busy, and keep turning simple yarn into beautiful ideas. See you in the next video.